Looking for the next jewelry stock to sparkle in your portfolio? The Advit Jewels IPO is currently taking the market by storm. This Jaipur-based jewelry manufacturer, the owner of the famous Rambaho brand, is hitting the main board to raise over 165 crore rupees. And the best part? It's a 100% fresh issue. This means every rupee is going straight into the company to fuel growth and slash debt, which is a huge green flag for investors. The price band is set between 130 rupees and 138 rupees per share. If you're a retail investor, you're looking at a minimum investment of 13,800 rupees for a lot of 100 shares. So, why is there so much hype? First, the numbers. Advit Jewels has seen impressive growth, with profits scaling significantly over the last few years. They aren't just a shop, they have an integrated, in-house manufacturing facility in Jaipur using advanced tech like 3D printing and precision casting. Second, check out that demand. As of midday on this second day of bidding, the issue has already been oversubscribed over 32 times, with non-institutional investors showing massive interest. And in the grey market? The sentiment is buzzing with a premium of around 40%, signaling strong expectations for listing day. Of course, like any IPO, it's not without its risks. The jewelry sector is highly sensitive to gold price fluctuations, and competition from large, established national chains is always there. But with a strong B2B foundation and a solid plan to use these funds for working capital, analysts are generally positive, with many giving it a subscribe rating. The window for this issue is closing fast on June 25th. If you're planning to apply, make sure to get your bids in and your UPI mandate confirmed before the deadline. Are you jumping into the Advit Jewels IPO, or are you staying on the sidelines? If you liked this information, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which IPO news you want to see next. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. **